Hello students, I am Preeti Pangavane, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. We see Numerical Techniques, Chapter 2nd, Calculus of Finite Differences and Interpolation. In this chapter, first we see forward difference. Now we see the backward difference. Let y be equals to f of x be a single valued function and which is continuous on the interval x0 to xn. The difference is f of x minus f of x minus h, f of x plus h minus f of x up to so on, f of x plus nh minus f of x plus n minus 1 h, where n is 0, 1, 2 up to n are called first backward differences. These are the differences f of x minus f of x minus h. These are the first backward differences, and h, which is the interval of differencing. These are denoted by del f of x equals to f of x plus h, f of x minus f of x minus h. Next, del f of x plus h is denoted as f of x plus h minus f of x. Similarly, up to so on, del f of x plus nh equals to f of x plus nh minus less term f of x plus n minus 1 h. These are the first backward differences. Now the differences of first order backward differences are called as second order backward differences. Are called as second order backward differences. And these second order backward differences are denoted as second order. Therefore, del square f of x plus h. This is difference of first order backward difference. First order backward difference is del f of x plus h. Now we know that del f of x plus h is f of x plus h minus f of x. Therefore, we substitute the value of del f of x plus h, which is f of x plus h minus f of x. Now multiply by del on both sides. Multiply by del in a bracket. Therefore, we get del f of x plus h minus del f of x. Now substitute the value of del f of x plus h and del f of x. What is the value of del f of x plus h, which is f of x plus h minus f of x, minus del f of x is f of x minus f of x minus h. Now solving this, we get f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x plus f of x minus h. Therefore, we get f of x plus h minus 2 into f of x plus f of x minus h. These are the second order backward differences. The differences of second order backward differences are called as third order backward differences. These are third order. These are called as third order backward differences. Also, we can denote the backward differences as let y0, y1, y2 up to yn be a set of values of any function what is given function y equals to f of x, and the differences what are differences? y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 up to so on yn minus 1. These are called as first backward differences. And these are denoted as del y1, del y2 up to so on del yn respectively. This operator del is known as backward difference operator. This is known as backward difference operator. This is backward difference operator del. So what is del y1? Del y1 is y1 minus y0. Del y2 minus y1. Del y3 y3 minus y2 up to so on. Therefore del yn is yn minus 1. Also this can be written as del f of x plus h equals to f of x plus h minus f of x, and the second backward difference is given as del square f of x plus h equals to del f of x plus h minus del f of x. This is second backward difference. The differences of first order backward differences are called as second order backward differences. The second order backward differences are calculated as del square y2, which is difference of first order backward difference, which is del y2. But del y2 is y2 minus y1. We separate this, we get del y2 minus del y1. But what is the value of del y2? y2 minus y1 minus what is del y1? y1 minus y0. After solving this, we get y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Therefore, in general, we say that how can we write del raised to n y r plus 1, which is del n minus 1 y r plus 1 minus del n minus 1 y r. So if we put del n1, then therefore we get del y1 equals to, here n equals to 1 and r equals to 0. Therefore we get del 1 equals to del raised to 0, that means y1 minus y naught, and del y2 for y2 n equals to 1 and r equals to 1. Therefore del y2 del square that is n equals to 2 and r equals to 1. Therefore n equals to 2, therefore del square y2 equals to del y r plus 1, that is y2 minus del raised to n minus 1, therefore 2 minus 1 1, and y r, that is y1. Therefore del square y2 is del y2 minus del y1, del y2 minus del y1. Also del raised to n f of x plus h is written as del raised to n minus 1 f of x plus h minus del raised to n minus 1 f of x. Similarly, if you put n equals to 2, therefore we get del square f of x plus h equals to del f of x plus h minus del f of x. For n equals to 3, f of x, del cube f of x plus h, del square f of x plus h minus del square f of x. Similarly, we can calculate for n number of values. Therefore del raised to 4 f of x plus h is del cube f of x plus h minus del cube f of x. Now see the backward difference table. In this table we take the values of x, function y equals to f of x, del y, del square y, del cube y, del raised to 4y. Here we have given the values of x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. From this value we put the this value of x in this equation y equals to f of x. Therefore we get the values of y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. From these values we find del y1. What is del y1? y1 minus y0, del y2, y2 minus y1, del y3, y3 minus y2 and del y4, y4 minus y3. Next, from del square y, from del y we can calculate del square y, that is del square y2, this is del y2 minus del y1. From these two values we find del square y2, and next we find del square y3, that is del square y3 is equal to del y3 minus del y2. Del square y4 is del y4 minus del y3. Similarly, from this table, from this column we find the values of del cube y. What is del cube y3? Del cube y3 is del square y3 minus del square y2. Del cube y4 is del square y4 minus del square y3, and del raised to 4 y4 is del cube y4 minus del cube y3. From this equation we take the values of del square, del cube, del raised to 4. Now we see the forward difference and backward difference. Now we see the central difference. Central differences. The central difference operator is denoted by the symbol delta, and it is given by, how can this write, delta f of x is f of x plus h by 2. H is interval of differencing minus f of x minus h upon 2. This can also be written as delta yx is equal to y suffix x plus h by 2 minus y x minus h by 2. Del y half. Therefore, if we take the value of x is half, we get 1 by 2 plus h by 2 minus y 1 by 2 minus h by 2. Or also del y 1 by 2 is written as y1 minus y0. Del y 3 by 2 is written as y2 minus y1, up to so on. Del y n minus 1 by 2 is written as yn minus 1. This is central difference. Now central difference table, x, the value of x as x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. From this we calculate the values of y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Del y half, del y 3 by 2, del y 5 by 2, del y 7 by 2. Next, del square y is del square y1, del square y2, del square y3, del cube y3 by 2, del cube y5 by 2, delta raised to 4 y2. This is central difference table. We stop here.